Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Tesla Model X, a vehicle that doesn't just challenge the boundaries of what an SUV can be, it obliterates them. If you've ever wondered what the future of driving looks like, this is it. Tesla has taken everything you thought you knew about luxury, performance, and sustainability and reimagined it in a way that only they can. Let's start with the exterior because honestly, it's impossible to ignore. The 2025 Model X is more than just a car, it's a statement on wheels. From the moment those falcon-wing doors glide open, you know you're in for something special. These aren't just a flashy gimmick, they're a marvel of engineering that offer unparalleled convenience, especially in tight spaces. Imagine pulling into a crowded parking lot and effortlessly stepping out, while everyone around you is still struggling with traditional doors. It's the kind of innovation that makes daily life just a little bit easier and a lot more exciting. Then there's the panoramic windshield, stretching up and over the front seats like a glass canopy. This isn't just a feature, it's an experience. You're no longer just a driver, you're a pilot, with a front row seat to the world around you. Whether you're cruising through a cityscape at night or taking in a sunset drive along the coast, the view is nothing short of spectacular. It's a reminder that Tesla isn't just about getting you from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey in between. But let's not forget what's under the hood, or in this case, under the floor. The 2025 Model X is powered by Tesla's latest dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which translates to lightning-fast acceleration and a driving experience that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. Imagine this: you're sitting at a red light, and as it turns green, you press the pedal, and boom, you're at 60 mph in just over 2.5 seconds. The sheer power is breathtaking, yet it's all delivered with the quiet, refined grace that only an electric vehicle can provide. And with Tesla's legendary battery technology, range anxiety is a thing of the past. Whether you're planning a long road trip or just a day of errands, the Model X has you covered. And speaking of covering ground, Tesla has made charging more accessible and faster than ever. The supercharger network is constantly expanding, meaning you're never far from a quick top-up. But what really sets the Model X apart is its ability to regain energy on the go. Thanks to advanced regenerative braking, every time you decelerate, you're feeding power back into the battery. It's a level of efficiency that's as impressive as it is environmentally friendly. Step inside the Model X, and you're greeted by an interior that's more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. The minimalist design is as functional as it is beautiful, centered around that iconic 17-inch touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's your gateway to everything the Model X has to offer. From navigating your way through traffic to streaming your favorite shows, this screen does it all. And with over-the-air software updates, your Model X is always improving, with new features and capabilities added long after you've driven it off the lot. But the tech doesn't stop there. The 2025 Model X is packed with Tesla's latest Autopilot capabilities, bringing us one step closer to fully autonomous driving. Imagine this: you're on a long highway drive, and with just a few taps, the car takes over. It maintains speed, changes lanes, and even takes exits, all without you lifting a finger. It's not just convenience, it's peace of mind, knowing that your car is constantly monitoring the road, ready to react faster than any human could. It's like having a co-pilot who never gets tired, never gets distracted, and always has your back. But Tesla hasn't sacrificed comfort for technology. The 2025 Model X is as luxurious as it is advanced, with a spacious interior that can be configured to seat up to 7. The seats are crafted from premium materials, offering both comfort and support, whether you're on a short commute or a cross-country adventure. And with options like ventilated seats and tri-zone climate control, you and your passengers can enjoy a personalized comfort level no matter where you sit. And let's talk about the sound system for a moment. Tesla's custom audio setup turns the Model X into your private concert hall on wheels. Whether you're a bass lover or an audiophile, the clarity and depth of the sound are unmatched. Imagine cruising down the highway with your favorite playlist, every note and beat crisp and clear, immersing you in a sound experience that's second to none. It's the kind of attention to detail that makes every drive feel special. Of course, safety is at the core of everything Tesla does. The Model X is designed with the latest in safety technology, from adaptive cruise control to automatic emergency braking. The vehicle is constantly scanning its surroundings, ready to protect you from potential dangers before you even realize they're there. And with a perfect 5-star safety rating, the Model X isn't just about luxury and performance, it's about keeping you and your loved ones safe, mile after mile. Finally, let's talk about sustainability, because driving a Tesla is about more than just enjoying the ride. It's about making a positive impact on the world. The 2025 Model X is fully electric, meaning zero emissions and a significant reduction in your carbon footprint. But Tesla goes even further, using sustainable materials throughout the vehicle and ensuring that their production processes are as eco-friendly as possible. Owning a Model X isn't just about embracing the future of driving, it's about contributing to a better future for everyone. So whether you're an EV enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the 2025 Tesla Model X is more than just a car, it's an experience. From its jaw-dropping design to its mind-blowing performance and its commitment to sustainability, the Model X is in a league of its own. Tesla has once again proven that the future of driving isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about how you feel every mile of the way. If you're ready to elevate your driving experience to the next level, the Model X is waiting for you. It's not just a drive, it's a journey into the future. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Tesla Model X, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious, stay excited, and keep driving electric.